camouflage with the bitches, started off like that. The position that I'm in, I'm the quarterback. Demolition with the dick, I be wrecking that. Then I return yo bitch like I ain't ordered that. Hoes on a nigga dick like curly hair. Light skin, skinny bitch with the curly hair. You be cupping on them hoes, I be cupping on my jeans. All these bitches pay a toll when the dick come from me. LeBron Jordan 10s when I'm stepping in. Dick make her frown up like she hit her shin. Cashier always asks me to enter pin. My bitch grew up bad, no discipline. I need my money like my next breath. Bad bitches try to follow, should I accept? I make a bitch turn around like a dead end street. Then she start running like I yell retreat. She love my gang, hold it down for the set. Yeah, I love my squad, bitch, we coming up next. She love my gang, hold it down for my set. Yeah, I love my squad, bitch, we coming up next. She love my gang, hold it down for the set. Now I love my squad, bitch, we coming up next. She love my gang, hold it down for my set. Now I love my squad, bitch, we coming up next.
Bitch, I love my squad, ain't no doubt about it. We fuck the same hoes, and we laugh about it. They say they didn't know, don't lie about it. You on the team now, gon' smile about it. Coming up next, these niggas better step back. Anybody step up, guaranteed to get checked. They bitches try to come through, they niggas holding them back. Shit, let her come through, and let the squad hit that. Niggas hating cause the squad coming up, taking off like a rocket, and they bitches trying to come, huh? Be from the beach, I put the city on the map. Bitches hit me up like a squad did that. But I know how it go though. Saying that she love me, but I know she love the squad though. A hoe gon' be a hoe, can't expect none from her, so we just take their money and use them for promotion. Nigga, we don't never love them. Shit, we always try to duck them. Niggas fuck the same hoes, but a nigga always cuffin'. I'm a squad though. Say bitch who you love.
Bitch who you love.